Hello everyone, welcome to Danny Color Graphic Design. I'm welcome today I will be teaching you how to do an animation. Under the animation today I will be telling you how to design the flashing test and then zooming test. First of all, let's go for the flashing test. You come to your file, new. For animation, the best size for animation is 300 by 300. So let's use 300 by 300. Click OK. Now for the flashing test, all you need is type your test. I will be typing using any font. Let me use this. I'll be using this. If you don't have it on your own, you can use any other font. Type in I love you. I love you. Then pressing Ctrl on your keyboard, zoom it. That's okay. Click on the layer. Now for the animation, you come to your window, animation. Now you will be seeing something like animation frames, something like this. Now assuming we want this to have something like 4 different type of color for it to flash, then you make your frame. This is frame 1, this is frame 1. You duplicate it, 1 2 3, making 4 frames for your animation. Now starting with the first one, giving needs different color. Now you come to your layers, double click, or you can come here, you can click here. By clicking here, go to color overlay. Now don't mind it will give you same color since you duplicate the first layer, the first frame. Now let's leave it as in that red. You can use any color depending on how you want it. Now coming to the second frame, give it any different kind of color you like. I will be giving mine something blue. Let me give it blue. No, that's purple. Let me give it blue. Something lighter, something light. Click OK. Come to this third frame. And give it another color. Something like purple. Yes. Come here again to the fourth frame. Now as I told you, you can double click or you come down in here, add a layer style, then color overlay, then you come here to add your color. I will be giving it yellow. Now click your OK. Now here it comes. If you don't set the time here, If you don't set it, it won't work in your BBM or anything you want to use it as a DP. It won't work. So it's advisable you hold your shift and click the last frame, come to the seconds and set it. Well, you have 0.1 seconds, 0.2 seconds, 0.5 seconds, 1 seconds, 2 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, depending on how you want it or how fitted you want it to flash. You can set the seconds. I will be using 0.1 seconds for my frames. Now you can see it. That's it. You can see that's it. Now if I think that is not okay by me, maybe I want something faster, I can come to order and make it 0.05 seconds. Yeah, so that's it. Just remove. It's even faster. So now animation, you can't save an animation as the way you saved all those picture files. For you to save animation, there is another way of saving it. You come to the file, save for web and device. You can't use save or save as. You will use save for web and device. Click on it. Sorry. Now here it comes. If the size of your animation is more than 32 kilobytes, it won't work for the DP. You want to use it maybe for BBM, DP, BlackBerry Messenger, it won't work for it. So the best size for animation when it comes to DP is it must not be more than 32 kilobytes. So if it is more than 32 kilobytes here, then we have to do some reduction on it, maybe by changing the image size, coming here, changing it maybe to 200 by 200 pixels. It depends on you, or using this to reduce the color. Using this glossy and reduce it, or reduce the color. So it depends on it. So now after that, click save. That's it about flashing test. Secondly, let's move for the zooming test. And I will be using this semi-lobby, but firstly let me delete those frames because it won't work for the zooming test. Now for the zooming test, you will be having two layer for the test. Or for the type. So now let's duplicate this layer. Now you have duplicated it, then you will have to resize the I love you copy to be smaller than the original layer. Press your Ctrl T, hold your Shift and Alt, then resize it. Yeah, press enter. Now here is it. Both two layer are all visible. The first one and the second one are visible. Here in the frame you have the first and the second one visible, but all you can do is making one invisible in the first frame. In the second frame, make the other visible. In the third one, make this visible and make this one invisible. In the fourth one, make the smaller visible, make the big one invisible. Now you can see it. You can see it. That's what I think. Setting the time to 0.2 seconds will be more better. Something like this. Now you can save it. Same process. Coming to that. Coming to save for web and device. Now with same process you can save it. Thank you everyone. I think this tutorial will help you. You can subscribe if it helps. Thank you all. Bye.